ॐ मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविधूननेन परमा नन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। In Advaita Siddhi, we are on page number 323. The last topic that we saw, Purvapakshi compared the Pradipa Prakasha and Jnana Prakasha as similar. And he said, in Pradipa Prakasha, Vishaya, which gets illumined by the Pradipa Prakasha, is not Adhyastha. Therefore, in Jnana Prakasha, the Vishaya, which becomes Drishya, is not Adhyastha. Anyatha, Pradipavad eva Adhyasika Sambandho api na syat. So Siddhanti gave the answer, third line you see on 323. Desha Kala Viprakarsha Abhavasya Sambandha Samanya Prayojakatve. Right? We saw this line.
Yes, Swami.
Desha Kala Viprakarsha Abhava is Sambandha Samanya, whether it is Pradipa Prakasha or Jnana Prakasha. Sambhavati संभवत्यांतर प्रतियोगिक संबंध भिन्न संबंध एवं अस्य प्रयोजकत्वम इति कल्पना बीज अभावात्. Some other prayojaka kalpana you don't have to do. Only this is the prayojaka. Desha kala viprakarsha abhava. But why I mentioned this sentence again, question still remains. Why the Vishaya in Chaitanya Prakasha, you say it is Adhyastha. Ghata is Adhyastha in Ghatavachinna Chaitanya, Adhisthana. But Ghata is not Adhyastha in Pradipa Prakasha. So that question, we have to think. He has not addressed that directly. So what is the answer? The answer is Pradipa Prakash.
Pradipa Prakasha are having tattva sense, real sambandha. Whereas Jnana and Ghata have
That is what you have.
yes.
No, you have to give the reason why. Why it is like that.
one is Sannikarsha and the other one need not be.
Because Pradipa Prakash is also Drishya. Ghata is Drishya, Pradipa Prakash is also Drishya. Not necessarily through Indriya Sannikarsha, it becomes Vishaya of Chaitanya. So between two Mithya, there is no Adhyasa. Between Satya and Mithya, we say there is Adhyasa. Ghata is Adhyasta in some Chaitanya. But Ghata cannot be Adhyasta in another Adhyasta or another Mithya Vastu. So this is the Bheda. परोक्ष स्थले तु यद्यपि फर्दर परोक्ष स्थल नाउ परोक्ष स्थले तु यद्यपि अधिष्ठान चैतन्येन साक्षादेव संबंधः तथापि विषयाकार वृत्त्या साक्षात् संबंधाभावात् वृत्ति अवच्छिन्न चैतन्येन विषयस्य परंपरा संबंध एव इन परोक्ष स्थल मीन्स वन्नी इन पर्वत दैट इज परोक्ष स्थले तु यद्यपि अधिष्ठान चैतन्येन एव साक्षात् अधिष्ठान चैतन्येन साक्षात् संबंध वन्नी है साक्षात संबंध विथ इट्स अधिष्ठान चैतन्य वेर इट इज अध्यस्त बट वन्नी आकार वृत्ति डज नॉट कनेक्ट टू वन्नी तथापि विषयाकार वृत्त्या विषयाकार मीन्स वन्नी आकार वृत्ति फॉर दृष्टांत साक्षात संबंध अभावात देयर इज नो साक्षात संबंध व्हाई देयर इज नो साक्षात संबंध बिकॉज विषय इज परोक्ष साक्षात संबंध अभावात वृत्ति अवच्छिन्न चैतन्येन विषयस्य परंपरा संबंध है सो वृत्ति अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य एंड विषय बिटवीन देम देयर इज परंपरा संबंध वृत्ति अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य is in pramata and vishaya is in bahya desha. So parampara sambandha. In other words, in paroksha sthala, vishaya is adhyastha in its adhisthana chaitanya. Even though vishayakar vritti is not reaching the vishaya. Nanu तवापि मते ज्ञेयस्य न स्वज्ञाने अध्यस्तत्व नियमः. Purvapaksh says, you are saying ज्ञेय is adhyastha in its jnanam, but there is no niyama even in your matam. तवापि मते ज्ञेयस्य न स्वज्ञाने अध्यस्तत्वम नियमः. Why? Where is the vyabhichara? अनध्यस्तस्य तुच्छस्य पंचम प्रकारत्व पक्षे अविद्या निवृत्तेर भावाद्वैत पक्षे अभावस्य च अदृग्रूपत्वे अपि स्वज्ञाने अनध्यासात्. अनध्यस्तस्य तुच्छस्य, तुच्छ मीन्स वंध्यापुत्र, शशविषाण, they are called tuchha. They are not adhyastha. Why they are not adhyastha?
They are not there.
Yes, but you have to give proper reasoning. You are in Advaita Siddhi class.
There is no satta on which it can be adhyastha.
Okay. Anybody else wants to try?
Vritti avachinna chaitanya vishaya, there is abhava.
What is adhyastha is mithya. Tuchya is not mithya. Whatever is adhyastha is mithya. Tuchya is not mithya. Tuchya is asat. So anadhyastasya tuchhasya. Tuchya is not adhyastha because it is not mithya. This is one case. Another case is Panchama prakaratva pakshe avidyanivrtte. Avidyanivrtte. Avidyanivrtti is Panchama prakara according to Vimuktatman. Panchama prakara, so I am assuming you all know what is Panchama prakara. It is not Sat, not Asat, not Ubhaya, not Anubhaya. Therefore, Avidyanivrtti is Panchama. Panchama prakaratva is for Avidyanivrtti. Everybody knows why. Anybody? Huh?
Bhavar.
Avarupa. No. Panchama prakara is what? What is not Sat, not Asat, not Sadasat, means not Ubhaya, not Anubhaya. What is Anubhaya?
Sadasad vilakshanam.
It is not anarvachi.
I mean, this is Mithya. Sat, Asat, Ubhaya, Anubhaya is called Mithya. Right? Sadasat Vilakshanam. Panchama prakara is other than Sat, other than Asat, other than Ubhaya, and other than Mithya. Fifth one. पंचम प्रकारत्व पक्षे अविद्या निवृत्ते है भावाद्वैत पक्षे अभावस्य च and any अभाव in भाव अद्वैत पक्ष. Any अभाव भाव अद्वैत पक्ष means अद्वैत पक्ष which accepts Advaita only in Bhava Vastu. On my hand, how many things you see? Oh, yeah. On my hand, how many things you see?
One.
One.
So I will say 25. one bhava rupa, and 24 abhavas are there. There is ghata bhava, there is vriksha bhava, there is this abhava, that abhava. You can go on naming. So, but we don't count them. Abhava rupa vastu we don't count. That's why what is given? Bhava advaita pakshe abhavasya cha. That abhava is adhyastha, is not adhyastha. Abhavasya cha adrig rupatve api. They are not drishya. Swajnane anadhyasat. Abhava jnanam, in abhava jnanam, abhava is not adhyastha. तुच्छ ज्ञानम, तुच्छ ज्ञानम वंध्यापुत्र ज्ञानम. वंध्यापुत्रो अस्ति और वंध्यापुत्रो नास्ति. शब्द व्यवहार is there. In that, वंध्यापुत्र is not adhyastha. Avidya nivritti. Avidya nivritti in avidya, in Brahma Jnanam is not adhyastha when it is taken as Panchama Prakara. So, Swajnane anadhyasat. Even though they are drishya, adrig rupa, they are not adhyastha. अपरोक्षैक रसे ब्रह्मणि अध्यस्तस्य व्यावहारिकस्य अतीतादेर नित्य अतीन्द्रियस्य च परोक्षानुभव रूपे स्वज्ञाने अनध्यासात्. अपरोक्षैक रसे ब्रह्मणि, ब्रह्म which is अपरोक्षैक रस, अध्यस्तस्य. What is adhyastha in अपरोक्ष ब्रह्म? व्यावहारिक, व्यावहारिक जगत, व्यावहारिकस्य अतीतादेहे नित्य अतीन्द्रियस्य च. व्यावहारिक वस्तु which is atita. Atita means that which was there in past is not there now. And those things which are nitya atindriya. What is the drishtanta for nitya atindriya?
Dharma, dharma.
Dharma, dharma. Then any other drishtanta?
Brahma.
Brahmani adhyastasya vyavaharikasya. You have to give such example. Sukha dukha pratyaksha. Aparoksha only. Indriya. Indriya is atindriya or not?
Yes, Swamiji.
नित्य अतीन्द्रिय. अतीतादेहे नित्य अतीन्द्रियस्य च परोक्ष अनुभव रूपे स्वज्ञाने अनध्यासात्. So their paroksha anubhav takes place. They are not adhyastha. Purvapakshi is saying. Means he is showing vyabhichara in these places. That you are saying drishya ghatadi is adhyastha in its avachinna chaitanya, in its jnana. Like that, all drishya is adhyastha in its chaitanya. But in all other cases that he is showing, so they will never show any regular case. Avidya nivritti, abhava. Then he showed tuchha, all such things. They are not atindriya vastu, where they are adhyastha, he is saying. Swajnane anadhyasat. स्मर्यमाणस्य च स्मृति रूपे स्वज्ञाने अनध्यासात्. स्मर्यमाण वस्तु, you remember ghata, there is ghata jnanam. Ghata is not there now. Is that ghata adhyastha in ghata jnanam? Purvapakshi is asking. It is not. He is taking all such cases which generally we never think of. This is the role of Purvapaksha. स्मर्यमाणस्य स्मृति रूपे स्वज्ञाने अनध्यासात्. प्रातिभासिकस्य च प्रातिभासिके स्वज्ञाने अनध्यासात्. प्रातिभासिक वस्तु रज्जु सर्प. Rajju Sarpa, in that Sarpa Jnanam, is it Adhyastha? Why it is not Adhyastha?
Because it is mithya.
Because somebody said something. That's correct.
Because it is mithya, is what I heard.
It is correct because it is Mithya. Rajju Sarpa and Rajju Sarpa Jnanam, both are Mithya. So they will not be, one will not be Adhyastha in the other. Tvanmate Brahmarupa Jnanasyapi Kalpitatvat. Because in your mata, Brahmarupa Jnana itself is Kalpita. In Kalpita Jnanam, Kalpita Vastu cannot be Adhyastha. Iti chet. Purvapakshi completed his argument. Maivam. Siddhanti says no. Tuchhasya agniyatvena jnane adhyasa abhavat. Tuchhasya means Vandhyaputra, etc. They are not jnane only. Tuchhasya agniyatvena jnane adhyasa abhavat. Because it is not jnane, its adhyasa is not in jnana. Only jneyasya hi jnane adhyasa. Only jneya vastu will be adhyastha in jnanam. Tuchha vastu is not jneya. Then somebody will say, but you use the shabda Shashavishana, Vandhyaputra, etc., etc. So we feel that there is some such thing. Means jnanam is taking place. So he says, Tuchhasya tu na jneyata iti agre vakshyate. Tuchha vastu does not have jneyatvam. Means it really is not jneya, even though we may say there is some shabda vyavahara, this, that. So that topic will come when he is going to refute it. Panchama prakara avidya nivrittehe api. Now this is the other one. Panchama prakara avidya nivritti. Nivrittehe api. Pratiyogi adhikarane. ध्वंसस्यापि तत्र वृत्तेः अवश्यं भावात् अध्यास एव संबंधः। पंचम प्रकार अविद्या निवृत्ति, he says it is अविद्या निवृत्ति. अविद्या निवृत्ति मीन्स अविद्या अभाव और अविद्या ध्वंस अभाव, प्रध्वंसाभाव ऑफ अविद्या. This much is clear. अविद्या निवृत्ति means अविद्या प्रध्वंसाभाव. अविद्या प्रध्वंसाभाव इन प्रतियोगी अधिकरण. प्रतियोगी अधिकरण means there where it is appearing. So where it is appearing? In its अधिकरण. So avidya's अधिकरण is chaitanya. So avidya abhava will appear there only in chaitanya. Every pradvamsa will be there in pratyogi adhikarana. So ghata abhava will be in ghata adhikarana. What is ghata adhikarana?
Kapala.
Kapala. Ghata pradvamsa bhava will be in kapala. Avidya abhava, avidya pradvamsa bhava will be in avidya is the pratyogi. Avidya adhikarana. Avidya adhikarana is Brahma. So panchama prakara avidya nivritti will be there. तत्र वृत्तेः अवश्य भावात् अध्यास एव संबंध means between Brahma Chaitanya and avidya nivritti. What is the sambandha? Adhyasa. Avidya nivritti is also adhyasta in Brahma. See, instead of saying in this bhasha, they have put it in the language of Nyaya. Avidya nivritti is also adhyasta in Brahma, which is true. Other than Brahma, everything is adhyasta. Avidya nivritti means moksha. Moksha is also adhyasta in Brahma. पंचम प्रकारत्वं च सॉरी वस्तुतस्तु अविद्या निवृत्तेः पंचम प्रकारत्वं च भावाद्वैतं च अनभ्युपगम पराहतम. वस्तुतस्तु he says, see, avidya nivritti is panchama prakara, we are not going to accept. Advaita Siddhikar says, Vastutastu avidya nivrittehe panchama prakaratvam anabhyupagama parahatam. It is refuted because we don't accept it, that avidya nivritti is panchama prakara. Vimuktatman, he has used it. He says we are not going to accept that. And this bhavadvaitam, that in Advaita, all other abhavas are there. You don't have to accept. See in Hindi Tika, second last paragraph, fifth line from the bottom. ये तु पंचम प्रकारादि पक्षाः ते तु मंद बुद्धि व्युत्पादनार्था इति न तत्समर्थनम अर्थयामः. Everybody saw the line?
Yes, Swamiji.
ये तु पंचम प्रकारादि पक्षाः, those who say avidya nivritti pancham prakara, It is only for manda buddhi vyutpadanartha. Those who have manda buddhi, some exercise is given to them. Iti na tat samarthanam arthayamaha. This will come on page 885 in this text. Advaita nivritti is Brahma only, and all avidya nivritti is Brahma only, correct. Avidya nivritti is Brahma Rupa. And all abhava, they are Advaita Rupa only, means they are not to be counted separately. Yathacha avidya nivrittir Brahma Rupatvam Sarvadvaitam cha tatha uparishtat vakshate. It will be said later. Avidya nivritti is adhisthana rupa. Aparokshaikarase brahmani adhyastasya अतीतादेर अनुमित्यादि रूप ज्ञाने अनध्यासे अपि यस्मिन् चैतन्ये तद अध्यस्तम तदेव चैतन्यम अनुमित्यादि रूप वृत्त्यवच्छिन्नम इति न अध्यास अनुपपत्तिः. अपरोक्ष एकरसे brahmani, brahma which is aparoksha ekarasa. In that, what is adhyastha? Adhyastasya atita dehe, because he said atita vastu and nitya indriya paroksha, indriya paroksha, indriya atindriya and atindriya vastu. So atita dehe anumityadi rupa jnane. Atita vastu, we have to do anumanam. Like iyam yajnashala vannimati. Why? Nilatva darshanat. Because you see some black thing on the ceiling. So you do anumanam, there must be yajnas going on here. So right now, none of that is there, but anumanam can happen. So atitadehe anumityadi rupa jnane anadhyase api. In that atita jnanam, that yajnashala, it is not adhyastha, anadhyase api. Yasmin's chaitanya tad adhyastam, but that chaitanya in which it is adhyastam, tadeva chaitanyam anumityadi rupa vritti avacchinnam. That chaitanya in which it is adhyastha, that chaitanya anumityadi vritti avacchinnam. That chaitanyam is anumityadi rupa vritti avacchinnam. In other words, the vanni jnanam is adhyastha in chaitanya. Vanni jnanam is through anumiti. That anumityadi rupa vritti avacchinnam is chaitanya. And therefore, See, what is to be shown here? Atita Vastu is not existing, right? But we are still talking about Atita Vastu. So what is Adhyastha? Atita Vastu is not there only. What is there is Jnanam of Atita Vastu. That Jnanam, Anumiti Rupa Jnanam is Adhyastha in Chaitanya. So Adhyasa is there. Na Adhyasa Anupapattihi. Na Adhyasa Anupapatti means Adhyasa Upapattihi. अति प्रसंग परिहारार्थम चैतन्यस्य विषय संबंधे वृत्ति उपराग अपेक्षायामपि न अधिष्ठानत्वेन तदपेक्षा. सॉरी, हाँ, करेक्ट. अति प्रसंग परिहारार्थम. व्हाट इज द अति प्रसंग? अति प्रसंग चैतन्यस्य विषय संबंधे. If everything is adhyastha in Chaitanya, Ghata is adhyastha in Chaitanya, Pata is also adhyastha in Chaitanya. Everybody is Chaitanya. Everybody should have the jnanam of all adhyastha vastu. This is ati prasanga. So what is said? Ati prasanga pariharartham chaitanyasya vishaya sambandhe vritti uparaga apeksha. You need ghatakar vritti to understand that ghata is adhyastha in that chaitanya. Vritti is required, na adhishthanatvena apeksha. Chaitanyasya वृत्ति चैतन्यस्य विषय संबंधे वृत्ति उपराग अपेक्षा. Unless Ghatakar Vritti is there, I will not know that it is Adhyastha. That Ghata is Adhyastha. If Chaitra gets the Jnanam, Chaitra will know. Maitra doesn't have the Jnanam. Maitra doesn't know what is Adhyastha. In other words, Chaitanya will have two upadhis. Vishaya, this is given in the Hindi Tika in square bracket. Chaitanya will have two upadhis. Vishaya prakashakatva, Vishaya adhishtanatva. Vishaya prakashakatva requires vritti. Vishaya adhishtanatva doesn't need anything. Why? Because it was there even before vritti came. Vishaya was always adhyastha in its adhishtanam. But Vishaya prakashakatva is there in Chaitanya. How will I know? Only when there is a vritti. So, Vishaya and Chaitanya, for their sambandha, you need vritti. Vritti, Ghata, for example, Ghata will have sambandha with Chaitanya through Ghatakar vritti. Once that sambandha takes place, then in that Chaitanya, Ghata Spuranam will take place. And Vishayakar vritti avachinna Chaitanya and Vishaya avachinna Chaitanya. Ghatakar vritti avachinna Chaitanya and Ghata avachinna Chaitanya, they both will become one. This is how Pratyaksha Jnanam takes place. So what is more important is when they become one, the role has been played by vritti. Adhisthana Chaitanya was always there. Anadi avidya siddha. Evamev nitya paroksha sthale, smriti sthale api. These were also objections raised. Nitya paroksha sthale and smriti sthale api. Pratibhasikasya pratibhasikyam. This we already saw. One mithya is adhyastha in another mithya is not possible. Pratibhasikasya pratibhasikyam वृत्तौ अनध्यासे अपि. प्रातिभाषिक वस्तु in प्रातिभाषिक वृत्ति, रज्जु सर्प cannot be अध्यस्त in रज्जु सर्प ज्ञानम. अनध्यासे अपि अधिष्ठान विषयक वृत्ति अभिव्यक्त चैतन्ये एव अध्यास. But in all such cases, अधिष्ठान विषयक वृत्ति अभिव्यक्त चैतन्य, in that there is adhyasa. So there is no anupapatti. अधिष्ठान विषयक वृत्ति अभिव्यक्त चैतन्य. This is clear. So all of them are adhyastha in that adhisthana, not in vritti avachinna chaitanya. If vritti is mithya, it cannot be adhyastha there. Vritti avachinna chaitanya is not mithya, but tad vishayaka jnanam is mithya. When we say jnanam, what is jnanam? See, jnanam has two meanings. One meaning of jnanam is satyam jnanam anantam brahma. This is mukhya jnanam. Second jnanam is
Pratyaksha, Anumiti, etc.
means vritti.
Vritti jnana.
Vishaya हाँ. वृत्तौ ज्ञानस्य उपचारात्. In vritti, jnana shabd is upachara. If that vritti itself is mithya, because the vishaya is mithya, then that vishaya jnanam is mithya. In mithya vishaya jnanam, mithya vastu cannot be adhyastha. Therefore, it is said in its adhisthana, it is adhyastha. So there is no discrepancy. Na kapi anupapatti. In other words, he has shown that all these padarthas are adhyastha in their adhisthana. न च रूप्यादिकम् इदम अंशावच्छिन्न चैतन्य अध्यस्तम. रूप्यादिकम, they are not adhyastha in idam amsha avachinna chaitanya. Purvapakshi says rupyadikam, sorry, you read this much. Rupyadikam idam amsha avachinna chaitanya adhyastha. Purvapaksha says. Bhasate cha avidya vritti प्रतिबिंबित चैतन्येन इति विषयिणी ज्ञाने विषयस्य अध्यास कथम इति न च वाच्यम्. Rupyadikam means that silver in the shell. Idam amshavachinna chaitanya adhyastha. It is adhyastha in idam amsha. Purvapaksha will say. Bhasate cha, actually it is not in idam amshavachinna chaitanya. It is in shukti avachinna chaitanya. Shukti avachinna chaitanya is आधार और अधिष्ठान.
आता
अधिष्ठान.
Only two vikalpas are there. Shukti avachhinna chaitanya is adhisthana chaitanya. Idam amshavachhinna chaitanya is adhara. They are two different. In English, substratum. One word they will use for both. Sankhep Shariraka separates them. भासते च अविद्यावृत्ति प्रतिबिंबित चैतन्ये चैतन्येन सॉरी चैतन्येन इति विषयिणी ज्ञाने ज्ञानम इज विषयी विषय इज विषय घटपटादि ज्ञान इज विषयी हाउ इन ज्ञाने विषय अध्यास दिस इज द पूर्व पक्ष ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शांति 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 शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः ओम शांति शांति शांति।